question is, what is a safe dose to drop to zero from?
Yeah, so inevitably there will be a 100% reduction, like just when coming off the drug. Mathematically speaking, if you keep reducing by 5 or 10% of your current or previous dose, as is the recommendation, if you keep doing that, then mathematically you'll never come off the drug because you'll always make a smaller reduction. So there will be a 100% reduction. Now the question is when that is. And just as an overall answer to that, it's lower than you'd think. It's also way lower. And it might also be way, way lower because of how potent the drugs are at very, very small doses. So really tricky to put up rules, but it's definitely not uncommon to have to go down to 3 or 4%, I would say, 3 or 5% of the lowest standard available dose. So that's oftentimes below 1 milligram of most drugs. It's difficult to set up rules for it because some people may recall that it's not 100% of people get withdrawal symptoms. Some don't, for some magical reason. Some don't, and obviously, so some people get worse withdrawal symptoms than others. So it's difficult to put up rules for. But like for the people who've been taking it, and especially the SSRIs, all antidepressants really, the benzos and the antipsychotics, that is the limit, the range we're talking. Sounds crazy, but when we look at the receptor occupancy curves, it makes complete sense. Like when you just look at the drug there on the table and the number compared to the doses that are used, it looks absolutely insane that small amount of drug can have any effect. And that's why it's so important also for clinicians, for anyone really, to consult these brain scans that we have that just directly hardcore science proves and shows us that there is actually an effect of that smaller dose.